Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install language exchange programs with Tandem, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred app store on your device. Search for Tandem in the search bar. Locate the Tandem language exchange app from the search results. Tap on the app to view its details and press the install button. Once the app finishes downloading, open it by tapping on the app icon. When prompted, create a new account or log in using an existing one. Make sure to fill out your profile with essential details such as your native language and the languages you wish to learn. You can also include information about your interests to find suitable partners. After setting up your profile, navigate to the search feature to find language exchange partners. Utilize filters to specify the languages and locations of potential partners. Take your time to browse through profiles and select a few that resonate with you. Send a message or request a chat to your chosen partners to start conversations. You can choose between text, audio, or video chat options. Once you connect, practice your target language while helping others with your native language. Engage regularly to build a solid language exchange relationship. Explore the app's community features for additional resources and events. Enjoy learning and expanding your language skills through meaningful exchanges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.